What I love about working at Matt Smith Real Estate Group is really just all the people that I get to work with on a daily basis. I truly feel that we've got the best team in the world, and there's really not any other people that I'd rather work with. It's just a lot of fun. We get to go on float trips together, Christmas parties, other get-togethers, lunches. We've got Montana being goofy, driving his scooter around the office every day. It's just a lot of fun. There's never really a day that I don't enjoy coming to work. And whenever it's such a large part of your life, that means a lot.
What I enjoy most about working at Matt Smith Real Estate Group is our workplace culture. It is like night and day from any place I've ever been. When I say we're a family here, we really are a family. Everyone cares about everything that's going on in your life. Any success that you have in your personal life, they will celebrate that with you. Anything you need, they got your back 100%, which is just a breath of fresh air for other places that I've been.
The thing that I enjoy most about working here is the continued education, and it's truly the team feel, so everyone's always eager to help you.
My favorite part of working with Matt Smith Real Estate Group is the family, our culture. Everybody can say our culture. I'm gonna tell you what, I've been in a lot of cultures before, especially being on teams in the military and stuff, and this is the best one I've ever been on. They are my family. I can honestly sit here and say I love every single one of you.
My favorite part of working with Matt Smith Real Estate Group would just be building fun, positive relationships. And that's one of our core values here at the office, but I definitely would say that's my top one. A lot of the people on the team, I consider them my best friends. I spend more time with them than I probably do my family at home.
It is the most positive environment I've ever been around in my entire life. It's always just a happy place to be, and it's nice to be able to be excited to go to work every day.
My favorite part of working at Matt Smith Real Estate Group is definitely the people. The uniqueness of everyone, we all kind of blend together, put our personalities together, and it works on that end. And also just the motivation that everyone instills into you, the accountability, the opportunities that we all give each other just by working together is the best part for me.
What I enjoy most about working at Matt Smith Real Estate Group is our team. The support that you get. You're not out there on your own. You never feel like you're alone. We do things as not only a team, but like a family.
I love having coworkers, a place where we can build off of each other. It's a lot of iron sharpening iron, and there's also so much opportunity too. Like it's pretty great to be at a place where leadership is advocating for you and pushing for you to do your absolute best at all time, and it's just incredibly motivating.
What I enjoy about working here is absolutely the people. The people here are amazing. I've never met a more group of people that is more welcoming, more comforting, and more willing to help me progress in something that I've never done in my life. Something that I'm brand new to, and they want me to succeed just as much as I want to succeed, and that's the best thing about working here.